Yo, what's up, guys? It's your artist Criz, and you're watching Creations. And we are back with another video. Today, we're going to talk about 3-point perspective. If you have not seen my previous video on perspective, do check them out. And yeah, so in 3-point perspective, it's basically applied with 3 vanishing points, 2 with the same horizon, and third one help in defining height or depth of an object or a scene. So each point will cross with lines, and again I try to understand it by making a box. And this time you could see that I'm taking height of a box with the help of third point, making it feel like a person looking at a box from a low level. Third point perspective applies wherever height or depth come into play. Let's try to figure out more with a small example. One side I will try to draw. It's called bird eye view. Means someone is looking at object from a height, and on the other hand, ant eye view, where someone is looking from the ground. So yeah. So I hope that you guys understand the concept behind it, and let's try to be more ambitious now. If you guys enjoy the video, give a thumbs up, share with your friends, and if you want to know more about perspective, do let me know. I will make more videos on it. And yeah, till then, stay creative, do creation, and this is Criz. Goodbye.